Feels a little bit like deja vu today. Just got a text from the Similan National Park. It's open, it's available, turtle season! Hi there guys, Sean here from 5-Star Marine with Michelangelo.
What?
From the Turtles?
Why are you doing Turtles? And it's
Turtles.
Michelangelo, it's not Nicolander, it's Michelangelo.
Oh, I don't know.
You got Donatello, Michelangelo,
Which one's the one that eats
Leonardo.
pizza?
They all eat pizza.
Just so you know, you can see turtles at Similan Island. It is the best place to see turtles. Almost every day we're seeing them out there, and we're here today to talk about the opening of Similan Island again.
Who was the other one? I can only get three.
I don't know.
Donatello, Raphael, that was him.
And who's the master?
Shredder. No,
No,
Splinter.
that's the bad guy.
Splinter.
Yes.
He was the rat.
Yeah, I love that guy.
There's a rat in the kitchen, what am I gonna do?
Anyway, what are we talking about?
What am I gonna do?
I'm lost again.
We're redoing the Similan Island video that's
how
opening.
many times have we done this?
This is the second time we've done it, Sean,
When was
because
the first time?
the rubbish microphones.
What mic do you use? It sounds great.
I don't know, I've never had problems.
That are 3 years old decided to not work anymore, so we haven't got them. So anyway, we're doing Similan Islands today. Hello!
Okay, so it is...
Open!
What's the date?
Don't know when this comes out, but it's going to be open now. No, so Similan Islands opened.
October 15th.
That's right, well done.
All the way through to
May
May 15th.
That's right.
Depending though, be very careful if you're planning your holiday around May and expecting to go to Similan. It can close early if the sea gets rough. So it's better to plan Similan
Well,
April.
we should explain. Why do the Similan Islands close?
Okay, very good question, Jay.
Why are you looking at the map, Sean?
Firstly,
Oh, okay, I'll get out of the way, shall I?
Similans are closed for 6 months of the year, and it's for two reasons. One is for coral rejuvenation, because
That's
the
right.
national park there, the strictest national park in all of Thailand.
That's very good, I like it.
Very, very good. That's why we get to see turtles there.
That's right.
And the second reason is because we have our wet season / monsoon season, and what that means is all the wind is coming from the west.
Hold on, let me do my wind.
Yes. All the wind is coming this way, and guess where Similan is?
Up here somewhere.
And so we don't want you, and the Thai government don't want you fighting against rough sea and the wind going to Similan, because Similan is a 2-hour journey from the pier.
2 hours?
Correct.
Holy moly!
So we want you to be comfortable, and that's why it opens generally October 15th, because that's the start of the change in seasons.
2 hours is like the same length as a movie, like a Deadpool Wolverine movie, maybe. Hey?
Yes.
Done well there.
Yes.
Thank you.
Shout out to Deadpool, we love you. And it's marketing.
Yes.
We should do a whole class on that.
Yes, we should, Sean.
Yeah, we're going to do that soon.
Anyway, Similan Islands.
So Similan Islands is open. Let me talk you through. This is a tour walk-through video plus an opening video. So let's talk about Similan and why you want to go there, Jay.
Yes.
Let's hold back the why you don't want to go. Let's say why you want to go.
Because it's nice.
Nice.
I'm going to say out there, probably the clearest water that you'll ever see.
I think it is the clearest water you ever see, and I've been there, and I took Ashton there just before, I know it was just February time, I think, and we swam. He actually swam with a turtle, and the turtle went right underneath, and that was a really cool experience. So
That's
actually,
reason number 2.
You will see turtles. The snorkeling, like I said, the water clarity is just stunning. It is absolutely stunning. The beaches are that proper, really fine sand that squeaks when you walk. Yeah, I really like that. And the views are stunning from some of the viewpoints.
And I also think the formation of the
I was going to say the
very
boulders, the
interesting.
bouldering.
Yes.
Not as in you go bouldering, but there's some beautiful boulders you go to. No, it's stunning. I really like it.
Okay, so now Jay, we know that you have a little pet hate about Similan. So
I do.
What is it you don't like about
Okay,
Similan?
so what I don't like about Similan is it's a positive thing. So
pets. You
Ah,
have a new dog.
I have a new dog.
Put it up.
Okay, this is Lady Mischief Wigglebum II. She's lovely. She's only new.
She's so cute.
She is cute. Thank you very much. She weed last night in my bed, which was nice. Anyway, yeah, let's move on from that one. I think it was her anyway. Might be me, I don't know.
That's the best joke you've ever done on camera.
Thank you, I get to age.
Yeah.
Do you know what I don't like about the Similan Islands? But it's a positive thing. The Similan Islands are really restricted, so you can only go to certain places. So you can't go wherever you want. So that means that every tour boat, every group, everyone goes to the same places because you're almost herded there because you have to go there. So you only get about 10 to 20 minutes of freedom if you go there on a private tour, because then you can get to the places before the groups get there. It is a downside to it, and that's what I don't like about it.
Yeah, and my suggestion is if you're going to do Similan, you're going to do it because it's got clear water and it's got amazing snorkeling.
Yes.
You're not going to go there for the beaches.
No.
Recently, like last year, I think I went to Similan 4 or 5 times. and I designed a program where we would go to something like Island 4 or 5 and we'd tie up to a buoy and we'd just snorkel for 2 hours. Then we'd go somewhere like Island 9 and we'd tie up to a buoy and we'd snorkel for a few hours, and then we'd go and find another snorkel spot, and then we would go back.
Yeah.
And that way I kept away from the crowds, and I was able to go and reverse the tour a little bit to go to snorkel spots where I know the group tours are not going to go because they have a tide where they can get in and out of the certain popular beaches. So I'm running opposite to the tide.
And I have to say, I don't mean to be...
But with that said, I really want to be clear. You can't do that if you want to go to Donald Duck Bay and you want to go to the Similan viewpoint.
Because there's certain places, the beaches that everyone goes to, the boats have to get in, so there's only a certain place. And look, they're doing this, I like what they're doing it for. They're controlling it, I like that. But it doesn't have the freedom. Like if we go to PP and stuff, we have so much more freedom.
Similan National Park, if you're going to follow a traditional route, you have to follow the one that's given to you by the National Park. This spot first, this spot second, this spot third. Okay, timing-wise, we can go earlier or later to try and miss the crowds, but we still have to do the spots.
Yes.
Whereas if we're going to do something that's kind of not going on the beaches, we don't need to do that, you know? So they just want to control when we can go on and off the beaches.
Another thing we should say, although it is open now, I wouldn't recommend going there right now.
Yeah, I would wait. I think the perfect season for going to Similan really starts Jan through April.
Yes.
And really for me, April is the perfect month to go.
Yep.
It's a beautiful month to be at Similan.
I agree.
And I think that's when I went last year. I went all of April. I went, my every Similan visit was in April last year.
Because the reason we don't recommend it is it's a 2-hour journey from Phuket and there's nothing out there. Yes. So if you go to PP...
Nowhere to stop, nowhere to hide.
No, and just sorry, behind Sean, if you come down to PP, which is down here, there are places that you can stop on the way if it gets a bit bumpy or if it's a bit rainy or whatever. Whereas if you go to Similans, there's nothing there. You are there, you're done, you'll go. And also, there's no restaurants out there either.
Yes. So I agree with Jay that timing is really important. Setting expectations around what you want out of the day.
Yes.
Like if you want to go and see a beautiful beach, Russia Yay, Russia Noi, Maya Bay,
Maya,
very beautiful beaches, and I don't think Similan has anything better. I don't think Similan has a better beach than those places. But I would.
I see what you're saying. I see. It is tough. Kokradam.
Yeah, but that's
it's a lot far.
I'm reversing it. I'm saying don't go to Similan because you want a beautiful beach. I'm saying like the other places have got beautiful beaches.
Oh, I thought you were going to reverse. Reverse.
And it's closer.
Reverse. It'd be funny.
Anyway,
he's not reversing.
So it is open. It is a 2-hour journey. It is a beautiful place. You will have great snorkeling, and you can certainly see our friend Michelangelo. Is that right? Michelangelo.
Sorry, I was making reversing noises.
Michael,
who's Michelangelo? Oh, the turtle. Yes.
Yeah. But if you want to know more about Similan, we're going to put a link in the description to the tour walkthrough
There's
video.
also whale sharks there sometimes.
Yes. Again, the snorkeling there
is it for young children though, Sean?
Only if your young children have been on a boat before. It's a long way to go with kids. Jay and I generally don't take our kids because it is a long way.
Yeah, I've taken them a couple of times. But the thing is, with our kids, they're so used to going out on boats and they're comfortable on boats and stuff.
And again, there's periods of time where you've got no phone reception either.
Oh, that's a good thing.
If you're thinking about like, let's do screen time on the way out, that's gone. You know, like it's
See, the company likes it when Sean goes because we get 2 hours off. No messages.
No messages.
Which is nice. So there you go, Similan's open, baby.
Open, baby. If you'd like to visit it, you can drop a comment below. You can text us on WhatsApp. You can send us an email.
No pigeons.
Yeah.
We got banned from pigeons.
Unfortunately.
Have you ever eaten a pigeon? Pigeon breast. You ever had a pigeon breast? I like a pigeon breast. They're a bit small, but I live in Asia. We're used to that.
That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Right, anyway, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.